This should be the last day of wildfire smoke from the Jones Road fire before some wet weather as we go into Saturday. Hey everybody, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. This is where we're expecting smoke from the Jones Road fire on Friday. Winds coming out of the south and west, and that means the northern part of the Jersey Shore will see and smell smoke from about Seaside Heights all the way up into Seabright. Even places like Jackson Township, Tin Falls, and Red Bank should all have this also. So you're going to smell smoke, slightly reduced air quality, not a huge deal, but slightly reduced. And if you're inside, make sure to use a HEPA filter. Here's a look at our futurecast. We are dry as we go into the day on Friday. We'll see early sunshine give way to clouds, and of course, some areas will see smoke. But then we start to see that rain increasing to our west on the map. And eventually, we see some rain showers during the pre-dawn hours on Saturday. But what happens after the sun rises? We actually get into a decent dry stretch. You see those lighter greens there, and then some of those darker greens during the afternoon, and a line of thunderstorms to finish for at some point between about 5 to 7 p.m. on Saturday here. Here's a look at our rainfall totals, generally between 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. We really could use some of those higher totals to the north, but we'll take anything we can get given the drought situation that we're in. No change from the United States Drought Monitor in Thursday's update, opposed to what we had last Thursday on the 17th. We're still in a drought warning, according to the NJDEP. That's separate than the folks who put out this map. And drought may worsen next week because besides Saturday, I don't see much rain in the next 7 days across the area. Here's a look at our Friday forecast. Good amount of sunshine to start, giving way to clouds against smoke in Northern Ocean and Monmouth counties. Temperatures really jump up inland. We'll be in the low 70s, pretty similar to Thursday, but we do get that sea breeze at the shore. That should keep temperatures right around 60 degrees for a high temperature there. Then we go to our inland weekend forecast. Saturday's a tricky one. Driest from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then after 7 p.m. The rest of the time, we'll see showers and, if you're looking at the afternoon, some thunderstorms. But even then, it's not a washout. I would say, on average, during the daytime hours on Saturday, 3 to 5 hours are wet. And it's probably going to be closer to 3. So again, not a washout. Sunday's definitely dry. It's crisp. It's bright. And that sunshine will feel awfully nice out there. Remember, UV index will be high as we go into the afternoon. Now, Bayfest, Summers Point on Saturday, the huge event here. Tens of thousands of people show up. What can we expect? Well, if you're going to go to Bayfest, do it towards 10 o'clock or towards 5 o'clock. That looks to be the driest time. I'm not saying it's a washout, but there's going to be enough rain, I do believe, where it's going to be uncomfortable. Again, not a washout, though. You got some time outside, but it's just not the best. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. As we go into next week, mostly dry and a big warm-up for the middle part of the week.